Hi, welcome to this video on Monday morning. So we're going to have a look at the price action of BTC. There isn't really much to really update from the last week's update. I mean, we're still in the same range. We're still back to where we were like a week ago. And we can see that every time we do attempt to break over the value area high, which is here, we just fall back into this range. Okay. Now, last week we did have a good fake out where we did actually nearly touched 67,000, but then we came back in, which is a fake out. We can see that every time we do go back up, we do see a lot of sell pressure. What we really want to see is spot buying, yeah, because these moves are fueled by perps, perpetual futures, not by spot. So we don't see much spot buying, and I think that is the biggest problem here. We see ETF inflows, and we can't really take that serious either. We see them, but we see also the outflows by the end of the week, and we see aggressive selling. We can see from this delta profile here, there is more selling than actual accumulation. Now, we attempted to break above 65.6. We can't hold 65.6 as support. And until we do hold 65.6 as support, I'm still bearish for the shorter term. And any more rejections, we have two doors here. We can either on the next push up break aggressively and find support here for a continuation up, or we're going to get rejected again. And this time, if we get rejected, we probably will come all the way back to 62,800. Now, this is going to be a tricky week to trade because we do have the FOMC and we do have earnings as well. So any push up, and this push up, which started on Saturday, it's TWAP. So it's a very weak temporary push. And we can see that. And because this is a weekend push up, we can't either take it seriously because we have some levels that we can actually look at that are going to probably get tapped. And when I mean tapped, I mean attacked. So that's your first level, which is a weekend low. We did come back into it, and we also came back into the weekend high as well. But as previously I have mentioned in previous videos, when we have a trail of liquidity like this, it usually gets taken. And that trail of liquidity goes all the way down to 61.2, down into this order block here, which is about 59 to 60,000. So just bear that in mind, that any push up could be sort of your last push before we come back and take out this liquidity. How could we take this liquidity out? Well, if we get bad news for the FOMC, we're going to come and take this liquidity. Price is just going to fall back down. So this push up, the New York session is going to tell us a lot. So any push back up, I'd be very, very careful. Now, I'm not holding any trades. I did scalp a lot of trades in this area, but if you're part of my community, and the links in the description below, you can get setups, two setups on Bitcoin a day, 2 on Solana and 2 on Ethereum, plus the AI setups, which are done live as well. And these AI setups use order flow. Talking about order flow, let's have a quick look at order flow. Right, so we've got some poor highs. And we also have a very horrible profile, current profile. This is a nasty profile. This is going to get swept. This is going to get swept to the to the downside. We can see also, we can see this on Market Monkey, we have a lot of imbalances here. That gives us a clue. So I possibly may be looking for a short position, but I want to see what happens in New York, But if we have a quick look at the actual order flow itself, let's have a quick look. Actually, let's just go to the other side, yeah. Yeah, we're just chopping around imbalance to imbalance, but we do have a lot of imbalance underneath us. Right, okay. See, on this order flow here, we really wanted to see a lot of buy pressure. Like you see that 135 there, we want to see that down here. We're not getting that. So I'm not really convinced about this push up. And I don't want to be bearish, either. And I do believe that the market makers are playing a bit of a game here. Let's just go over to a 30-minute time. Let me just have a quick look. It just feels, for me, it just feels like we just don't have, even the order flow doesn't look bullish. There's nothing bullish about this. I don't even want to explain to you guys. There's nothing bullish here. I'd be looking for shorts. I can't tell you what to do. Can't give you any financial advice. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see how New York opens. And if we are going to take out 66, 67, if we do, I'll definitely be looking for a short position and obviously a scalp long. There's too much liquidity underneath us. Although political things around the world have paused, we know they'll restart again. We've got FOMC, that can't be any good because the last one wasn't. And, we're just seeing a lot of the longs now coming here. I mean, this is not even a lot of longs. It's not that many longs, but they're going to get trapped. So we could come into this area here where possibly I may look for a short position because I do strongly believe that we're going to sweep those 60K lows and the 62K lows. They're going to get swept aggressively. If you want to learn how to use order flow, there's a course in my Discord. You can use that free of charge. You don't need to pay me. If you want to learn about order flow or need one-on-one training, you can contact me directly. In times like this, you really want to be choosing your trades. And if you're not an experienced trader and you don't know how to day trade or scalp like myself, who is an experienced trader, knows how to scalp all these moves, I would sit on the sideline and I would practice. I would practice on a demo account or with free funds. Talking about free funds, you can check out this exchange. They're a new exchange, BitBASE. They're doing a exclusive offer, deposit bonus plus a reward as well. I'm going to be trading on this exchange just to test them out. There's a link in the description below this video where you can open an account and you'll get some free money to trade with, by depositing a small amount. And you'll even get a position as well, a free position, and you can use that to practice, etc. At the moment, I don't know too much about this exchange. I will be trying them out. I will be speaking to the team as well. They seem to have all the regular features, spot, futures. So you got USDM and USDT, you got TradFi, and I think they will be obviously putting on some more. They might put copy trading or bots on here. I don't know. I'll speak to the team very, very soon, but give them a chance, give them a try. There are some other people using this exchange and I've heard nothing but positive feedbacks. They are sponsoring this video as well, so give them a go. You can't really go wrong with free money, can you? So they're doing a sign-up bonus up to $1,500, 20% deposit cashback, trading volume bonus as well, and there is also a position bonus as well. So go and check them out. The link's in the description below. And they're also doing a first time deposit 100 USD to get a 1000 US dollar position airdrop. So I'll leave the link in the description below. You guys can make a choice if you want to trade on there or not. Just trying to give you something free from the exchange, and that's what they have provided me. But I will check them out and do a full review maybe sometime later on this week. But right now we are focusing on some trading strategies, and there is a video coming out today, possibly tomorrow, of my AI software and how we utilized AI signal engines and this order flow, and how fast that way AI can actually read the order flow. And I think you're going to love the results. So check that out. Video coming out soon. Take care. That's all I have for you. Goodbye.